Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing power and a quick backup. This prevents data loss if recovery needs a wipe. Once done, enable USB debugging or prepare fast boot mode. Different phones use volume plus power combos. Make sure you have the exact firmware and OEM drivers on your PC. Mismatched files will brick the device. Connect via USB and verify a DB or fast boot recognizes the device. If the device is invisible, try another cable, different USB port, or reinstall drivers before proceeding. You now reflash or repair the damaged partitions. First, boot into fast boot and flash the recovery and boot images, then write the system and vendor partitions to match the ROM. If OTA sideload is available in recovery, use a DB sideload to apply the package because it preserves some configs. Make sure to verify checksums before flashing. Corrupted files cause failure. If flashing halts, note error codes and retry using official OEM tools that handle partition maps automatically. You finish by rebooting into the system and letting the first boot complete. This can take several minutes. If it stalls, boot back to recovery and wipe cache or Dalvik/Art cache. That often clears residue from mismatched builds. If problems continue, flash the full factory image cleanly or restore a verified backup. If nothing works, gather a DB and fast boot logs and error codes, then contact OEM support or a trusted repair center. That information speeds diagnosis and avoids repeated flashing mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.